Excuse me. Yes. May I talk to you? Yes, of course. Can you speak English? Yes, but not fluency. Can you study a book? Yes. Which book do you study? I study English book. Why are you studying English book? Actually, I want to become a teacher. That's great choice. What do you for free time? I play football. Why do you play football? Because it's my favorite. When you go to play football, I go to play football at 4 o'clock. Thank you, my dear. You are welcome. Goodbye.